Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about the Four Seasons down pillow. Now, a lot of times you'll stay at a fancy hotel such as the Four Seasons and you'll just have an incredible sleep and you really want to recreate that at home. I get that a lot. People stay at hotels in Vegas, Four Seasons, all types of different luxury places, and they say, hey, I've had the best sleep of my life. How do I emulate that at home? Well, thankfully, Four Seasons has a store where you can go on and you can buy all of their bedding, pillows, and mattress as well. And so you can get that whole sleep experience in your bedroom and have that real nice spa-like experience. So today we're going to talk about the Four Seasons down pillow, and it arrives in just a standard box. It actually ships pretty quickly. They say on their website standard shipping is about a week and a half. This one actually arrived in 3 days. I was shocked at how quickly it arrived. But that said, it does come in a regular box. When you open it, you'll find this nice fancy packaging with the Four Seasons logo on it and these buttons. So it's like this little envelope that you unbutton, and the pillow's inside here. It's got washing instructions. This is a dry clean only pillow. And then a few construction details. So this pillow is actually 75% feather and 25% down. So what that means is the majority of this pillow is actually feathers and not down. The down is like those really tiny fluffy things. If it was 100% down, it would be very soft and very light. But down is the most expensive part of a down pillow, not necessarily the feathers. So here's the pillow itself. The thread count, I believe on the outer shell, is a little over 280 thread count. Like I said, the inside is 75% down, 75% feather, 25% down. And in terms of height, it's a standard height. I'd say about 8 inches when it's just sitting on your bed. But what I found is this is an exceptionally soft pillow. So when you put your head down on it, you're really going to sink in. And what that means is that if you're a back or stomach sleeper, this is a very ideal pillow for you. If you're a side sleeper like me and you have broader shoulders, this may not be quite enough thickness to really cradle your neck. But a remedy to that, of course, is you just kind of scrunch it up and hug the pillow, and that'll provide enough support. And some people really like to do that. Now, this pillow retails for $149 in a standard size. This is the standard size right here. Shipping is free, so all you'd be paying in addition to that would be taxes. It goes all the way up to $199 for a king size. And in terms of pillows, that's pretty darn expensive. A standard blend pillow like this usually retails for about $60, $70. So, if you're looking for alternatives, there's a lot of good alternatives out there. There's websites like pillows.com, or even Amazon would have something similar. If you just search 75, 25% blend, you'll find a lot of pillows like this. Nice thing about down pillows is that they're super light. They recover pretty quickly. And down pillows are just kind of the coziest pillows you can find. Memory foam's getting there, but you really just can't escape the fact that it is foam. It has a certain thickness and lumpiness to it that really can't be recreated. Of course, polyester, they try and do the same with polyester. But again, I don't find that polyester provides quite enough support as a down pillow would. And so you really do get a unique feel that just hasn't been recreated yet synthetically with any other fibers. So anyways, in conclusion, this pillow, it's a great feeling pillow, great for stomach and back sleepers, a bit on the expensive side, but there are a lot of alternatives out there. And so if you stayed at a Four Seasons and you really like their down pillow, know that what this blend is, that you can buy it from Four Seasons, or head on over to sleepsherpa.com where we can provide some great alternatives.